Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually in our garage, which I'm turning into an office. I'm going to be painting the walls this color, which is called oilcloth. I actually first saw this on a friend of mine from Instagram. Her name is Mandy. You can follow her, Mandy Makes. So I usually don't do unboxing videos unless you guys want me to start doing them. But I got a really exciting box today from Snowe, which has bedding, candles, home stuff, wine glasses, towels, whatever you would need. So usually I get a box and I wait to open it until I have to do posting or, by the way, I am working with Snowe, but this video was not required. I'm doing this on my own because I just was so excited about getting this package. I got the package and I could smell it like before I opened it. That's how good it smelled. So obviously I was excited. I had to rip it open and I don't know, the packaging was just super simple. I already started opening some of it. These are okay, that's glass. Okay, this is one of the diffusers. I already opened that. I should have known better. But I just love the package. I mean, it's literally so simple. This one's called Pillow Talk. Okay, so it comes in this little guy. Thank God that didn't break. So I'm gonna pour it in this little carafe. Whatever. You know what a diffuser is. I don't know why I did that. Oh my God, I need to stop. I need to stop. But this is a little more, I don't want to say manly. I hate that. Because like, what do men really smell like? Like sweat? I'm just kidding. It's like so simple and cute. Oh wait, can you read that? Anyway. So cute. Didn't want to order a bunch of large candles, so I ordered the travel pack. And they all smell so good. So cute. Isn't that cute? So yeah, I'm gonna redo our linen closet. I bought a bunch of baskets from HomeSense and Home Goods. I really liked this one for the candles. I obviously have more candles that I want to put in here. I got mostly white towels, but I wanted to change it up with the hand towels. Oh my God, they're so soft. Oh my God, they're so soft. They're so softy. Oh my God. And that is ash gray. These are some of the towels. The paper smells funny though. Let's see. That's the dog fence. Get out of here! Leave Mommy alone! If that thing opens again, I'm gonna rip it off the wall. And then Mike's gonna have a real problem. Oh my God. I've never had softer towels before. I don't know if your spouse does this, but Mike likes to use them and then throw them right into the bin. I mean the laundry basket. And they get stanky, okay? Babe, if you're watching, please don't do that. Okay? Is this the hand towel? This is literally a hand towel. This almost fits over my body. I'm impressed. Bath towel. Okay, we have the bath towel. Ooh, mama likey. Now this is what I'm talking about. But I will show you the difference in color online if you're ordering. It's a little hard to tell the difference between the white. So I don't know if you can see, but I love them so far. I don't know if you're wondering, but the desk is from World Market, and I'll link everything below so you guys can shop if you want. And this chair is from Article. I'm terrified to show you the wheels, the bottom. See, I'm gonna break something. Super cute, right? I can't have a desk chair without wheels. I will lose my mind. I'll leave everything below, all the links, the prices, everything for you guys. But I highly suggest so far Snow towels and candles. I will do another blog post letting you know how I feel about them after washing and using, but so far I'm a fan. So that pretty much does it for what I got from Snow. Thank you, Snow, and again, they did not require me to do this video, but I just really loved the quality and the smells in case you're looking for new towels. This print is one of my favorites. I can't wait to hang it on this wall, especially after we painted that color. It's gonna look super cute. That's by Lauren Lost Boys. I'll leave that link below for you as well. All right, thank you for tuning in. Remember to subscribe. Thank you everyone who got me past 100 subscribers. I love you. Bye.